Hello friends, this is Swapnil here. As you can see here, this is the captcha entry website where 100% genuinely they pay us. The requirement is simple. You need a good internet connection and a good typing speed. So if you have a good typing speed, then come here and sign up using my active invitation code. You should have active invitation code. If you don't have active invitation code, then you can't register here. So either you google it or use my active invitation code. Currently looks like this tab is not working. I mean, the captcha is not coming just because of flow of people working many more, and this traffic is driving too much. So sometimes this is look like this, the no image available. But as you can see here, my profile and payments, see, this is the estimated balance. Currently I am earning 0.44 cent, that is 44 cents. And if you would like to know what's my history, so I'm clicking here and this is my history. Since 2018 I am using this website. Of course sometime I'm come whenever I got a free time, so that time I was make $3. Later once again I'm coming here and using this website again, I'm making $5. And later in 2021 I'm again come and making $3 too. So this is the my last three payouts. Of course I have multiple ID because actually this ID's password I was forget, so I'm making the another ID and work here. So definitely this website pay you 101%. The payment method is I'm showing here is the payment, and you can change here payment method too. But as you can see here, I'm scrolling down. See, if you use PayPal, Perfect Money, Bitcoins or Litecoins, read this. So your payment will become via PayPal, Perfect Money, Bitcoin or Litecoin. So I recommend you use Litecoin if you are beginner and you know about the cryptocurrency. And if you are too much beginner like me, like you know the only on PayPal, or you don't know about the PayPal, then just open this PayPal, go to the PayPal website and create a PayPal account, because this is a online payment processor. It's a worldwide payment processor where you will be credit in your amount in your account and then you can withdraw in your bank account. So well, in PayPal, if you choose PayPal method, then minimum withdrawal balance is $3. As you can see here, I think they see, in order to get paid, your estimated balance need to reach minimum amount of 3 typer credits. Typer credit is known as the money. So $3 is the typer credits before Monday. And I think here, yeah, see, important, due to the nature of Bitcoin, the Bitcoin network, it changes you a transaction fee for each funds transfer your Bitcoin wallet. This fee may vary as Bitcoin value fluctuates. Therefore we recommend you accumulate substantially more than the minimum withdrawal amount. If you select Bitcoin as your withdrawal method, you can see current Bitcoin transaction fees by visiting this link. This other page might be of the help too, so you can read later. But as per my knowledge, this is the payment method. You can see here current processor PayPal, and here is the list of payment method. If you choose Litecoin, then see, Litecoin payouts are non-reversible. This means we will not be able to reissue your payout if for whatever reason your payout does not get to the Litecoin wallet you provided. Thus we encourage you to kindly double check that you are providing a valid Litecoin wallet before changing to this payment method. So after you entering this, you can change this Litecoin address too by filling this here the ID. And PayPal you can choose, of course, and many more like the Bitcoin and Litecoin. So as per this website, they provide you a minimum withdrawal balance. I think withdrawal balance minimum withdrawal limit is, I saw somewhere but I don't find here. I think I need to log out and once again log in to show you minimum withdraw balance, but anyway, and log out. See, here is the, I think, no, that page is not here, but anyway, here is the sign up page. After coming this website, you can see here the sign up page. Just click on here, fill up your email address, password, and remember password don't forget after you, because here the not a recoverable password if you forget here. Fill up your name, choose payment method. Here is a PayPal. As I already told you, PayPal is recommended by this website, and I am also suggest you, so just choose PayPal. And here is the minimum withdraw balance is $3, and if you use Litecoin as a cryptocurrency method, then minimum account balance is you will need minimum account balance of $1 to withdraw from Litecoin. But another don't choose any these two methods apart from these two methods, because see, in this Bitcoin your minimum balance should be like the $60. So it will be great to, as a starter, you just choose Litecoin to take a taste. Otherwise you just choose the PayPal because it is sufficient. Anyway, I am back to the point. Here after this filling this payment, see here PayPal, you need to PayPal your email address, fill up here, and or if you Litecoin choose, then your address look like this, fill up here. The main part about this website is here you need to fill up invitation code, where you need to fill up F8GL. This is my active invitation code. You should fill up same as it is, because this is the active invitation code. After this fill upping, you just click on this here and solve the captcha and register. Hit the button on register. Well, I'm again showing you how exactly this website works. I'm logging here using my ID. See here, I'm currently using my 2 ID. So another ID is my like this. This is the password section, and you see if I click here lost password, the feature is currently disabled. So make sure you fill up somewhere your password. I'm logging here, invalid credential. I think so after login this kind of this page open, I am again showing you my profile and payments, because this is another ID. And see, this is my Litecoin address, and here this show the last time I was paid in 2020 as a $3. This $3 is of course in almost in coming from my PayPal account, because that time minimum withdrawal limit is $3. But currently you can see the payment of $1 was started 4th April 2021. So currently this payment is running. It will become soon in my account under 5 to 6 days. Here is the, when you can read this all of the things. I'm making this video very large because as a beginner I'm started here, and since then see this kind of the captcha are coming. You just need to fill up here and hit the enter button. Type as it is, don't type garbage, like you don't need to type like this is. You just fill up as it is, because if you type like this, then you will be banned by this website. And of course one more thing, don't use software, use only website, because if you use paid software, then also you will be banned. After you sign up using my invitation code, you will be realize they give you a dashboard and little bit a page where you can read all of the things. This is really awesome earning if you have a free time. Sorry. See, this is how you need to fill up as it is, like small captcha, small alphabet and capital alphabet as it is. And here is the earning you will be show. Here is your estimated balance, SJH, I'm choosing Litecoin method just because of the volatility of cryptocurrency, and I never mind if I'm lose, like if Litecoin is goes down. I never mind because I know the cryptocurrency is volatility is high, and in future maybe their value is unpredictable. So it is worth this program. If you really want to make extra money online, then also you can use as a payment in cryptocurrency Litecoin, because here minimum withdrawal is $1. So see, this is how it's working. So sometime you don't have got the captcha, then just pause and just do whatever you want to do. But whenever you got a free time, then just come here, let the start working. And here, if you don't find the captcha, just click on this contest where there is, and if you win this contest, currently this contest is now started. So under 15 seconds you should type as it is here. I'm clicking submit and pause just because I want to show you how its rate working. This is the statistic page. Here, as you can see, this is the hourly pages. If you type 1000 images in these hours, like currently rate is 70 cents per hour, I mean this hourly. If you in this hour, if you type 1000 images, you will be got the 70 cents in your account. But of course you should type as it is. And apart from this, the plus point about that, if you type as it is, then they give you extra amount in your account too. That is called enter typer points, a typer benefit program. So this is 4 points I already accumulated in this account. So this is how they give you extra incentive if you type as it is captcha. So this is the website, exactly how it's working. I'm already show you and showing how I live working here, and of course I'm showing my payment which is created by them. Apart from this website, I have also one application which is run in background, and they give me a little bit amount money, in a dollar. I'm just pause this video. So overall this is about the mega typers. I'm log out here. See, this is the page. Once again, I'm told you, they say easy job, easy money, earn Typer credits worth over $200 every month. So of course I'm not working, as you see already, I'm not making this kind of the huge amount, but I'm making the little bit amount. Whenever I got free time, I'm coming here, typing captcha, and that's it. So see here, my tab, this is my notification tab where my two of application are running. The first is Honeygain and second is IP Royal network. That both applications are running in my background. So what they exactly doing, so I'm just clicking here to show you how exactly this application work for you to extra make money online. This website actually share your internet and give you money. So you just need to sign up here. I'm also giving you a referral link. If you use my referral link, they give you $5 bonus. I use someone's referral link and sign up here. So that time I directly credited in $5 as a bonus, and remaining money, whatever it is, that's the 4.25 cent is my personal sharing internet, and that's why they give me like $4.25. Currently this website payment proof I don't have, because they don't credit me, because my minimum payout limit is, of course, it's a $20. So that's why I don't show you, I can't show you. But when time comes, when I earn up to $20, then I will be withdraw from here, and then I make a video on that Honeygain website. But since now I can say, if you wanna just join this website, because as you can see, this runs in background and it not interrupted us. So it's a really great. And this is the active devices of my because this is the active devices where I'm download applications. Here you can up to 10 device add and boost your income. So currently this is the 3 devices where I'm download and running that application which is runs in background, and that's it. Well, if you, and yeah, one more thing, if you come here daily, then you will be got the daily credits, that is like your honey jar winning. It's a 20 credits, it's a free of cost they give us. See here the 50 credits I got your honey. So daily I'm coming here and just credit in 1 seconds. Just click on that jar, they give you your credits. It's not much huge money, it's a kind of the cents, but it is sufficient for us because we already doing what we do on PC. So just click on that website, click on that application like this, double click, the page will be open, and some kind of messages is come here, like open the honey jar, and just click on that. So you will be got some credits like this 20, 50 or up to 10,000 credits. So if you are lucky, then you will be got the 10,000 credits, and you can earn it, you can pay out, you can withdraw early. I mean, you can reach $20 early, and then you can withdraw. The next website is, I mean, the next application is IP Royal Pawns. I'm clicking just here as a double click. I'm closing that tab, and again I'm come here, open that IP Royal network. See, this is the dashboard. I'm already get paid by them. Here the plus point about that application is it's run, of course, in background, and what they do, they just do same as Honeygain. They're sharing our internet. We just need to on our internet and use our PC as it is regularly. Just start and make sure this application is running very well. Like this message comes here, IP Royal background process is now running. So if this message comes, so just open this dashboard. Sorry. So here current my balance is 0.02 cent because I already get paid by them in just few hours ago. I will show you here my Rediff mail. Okay, I directly show you my PayPal account. I think this video is too much long. But stay tuned, friends, because this is how I just want to show you how I make money online using such a extra way. See, current my balance is 0, but they just transfer me, I think so. This is the 9th of May, and today is of course the 10th May. See, this is the 1.32 cent I receive by them. This is the IP Royal, and here is the payment proof. So this is how actually they're working, and well, I got a payment, so that's why currently my balance is 0.02. So here you can see traffic sold, my current traffic sold by here, like this. You can see they pay us via PayPal. Minimum, if you are minimum withdrawal limit is PayPal for $1, and if you want to Bitcoin as a cryptocurrency payment method, if you choose, then just I will show you here. See, in PayPal I'm already choose. If you scroll here, this Bitcoin, the minimum request amount is $5. However, 1.5 USD fee is applied, so you will receive 3.5 USD in BTC form. So if you are planning to get this money from as a Bitcoin method, then you can choose here, but I recommend you don't choose the Bitcoin because it's a very high fee. So just choose PayPal, and then later you can buy Bitcoin if you want to. But this is the really great application as per my opinion, because its a minimum amount is very low compared to Honeygain. But I'm both application running. I mean, I'm both application using my computer, because who cares when Honeygain Honeygain is the limit is too much high. Whenever it reaches, I will be definitely got the amount whatever it is, because it's a worldwide trustworthy application. And of course, whatever I'm showing you, This is the my personal, I'm personally verified that website, so that's why I'm showing you. Once again, I'm coming back to the Mega Typer website where I'm already working and showing you. This is how I'm working here. So what exactly in last, in last few minutes I will told you. What you need to do is here, just come again. It's a very, I'm taking not too much time. See, this is a start working, and this is the tab. So you just need to fill up here as it is under 15 seconds. If you want to fast images, just click on here and see currently no image available, so just submit and pause and log out. You do whatever you want to do, and until now you, if you both this application running in your account, if you register here, then your earning is already started here as a extra income. So well, in description box I'm giving you the both link of that website, and of course this link also I'm giving you. But remember, when you sign up, you should use active invitation code. See here, you must supply a valid invitation code, and valid invitation code only give such a person like me where they are regularly working. So I'm regularly working here since more than 5 to 6 years, and of course as you already I'm showing you. So fill up as it is this form, choose PayPal method, PayPal method as recommended by this website, or you can choose Litecoin if you are, like I'm already told you, if you are familiar with Litecoin address, if you know the cryptocurrency how it's working. So, and if you don't have a Litecoin address, then create just one and start the earning by typing CAPTCHA. I have many more website to make money extra online, so stay tuned. For now I can say, just if you like this video, then like it and subscribe me. And sorry for guys, this video is too long, it's almost at 21 minutes, but well, I'm beginner here, so I don't know how to it's like working. So see, this is the active invitation code I'm showing you here. This is the FOK6. Use this active invitation code for when you type here. Otherwise you can type there, as already told you, FATGL. Use any code. Either you can use this code or you can use this code. Yeah, and one more remaining thing is most important. After creating this website, after sign up, after register this website, how you can share your affiliate link I will show you, because this is the main and best part about extra boost your income. See, this is the affiliate page. Here is the dashboard, so I'm just clicking here. So under my code you can see I think my website is little bit hang due to internet connection. Okay, see, my referrals are 4397, and this is the FATGL code which I already give you. So if you use this code, you will be added on this website, and these are the 3 person who already get paid by this website. That all these persons are already paid like $6, $7 and $3, and this is my commission, $1.68, the total of these 3 people. So they earning here, and I'm also earning as a commission here. So I'm just show you how its referral system work. So of course this referral system only works if your whatever friends or users under your using affiliate code, if they work and get paid, then and then only Mega Typers will be give you some commission like this. And same here in IP Royal Network, here is the affiliate link. If you share in social media, then your earning will be show here. Currently I'm not working here like the commission, because I'm not I'm not sure they give you money or not, so that's why I'm not making this video and not spreading my friend circle. But now I'm trusted because they give me a payment. I'm already show you here. So as you already see here, this is a very great website and the great application. So just come here and work on that Mega Typer website, like by typing CAPTCHA if you have free time. Otherwise you just download this IP Royal. See here the download section. After sign up here, you just need to click here download. If you have a Windows 32-bit, then download here. If you have a Windows 64-bit, then download here. And if you use the Mac, then download from here and run in background application. And of course, I am once again tell you, make sure your application is running properly. Here the message is come. For now, I can say once again, if you like this video, like it and subscribe it, and if you have any query, then let me know. For now I am stop here and once again sorry for guys, I am taking too much time, but I need to know to tell you, I mean I need to tell you properly step by step, so that's why I'm telling you. Thank you, bye bye. I'm giving you a description box that the links. This is the Mega Typer active invitation code link. You can use this or you can either Google it. So currently in this video I'm showing you 3 totally website come application, like the first Mega Typer, second IP Royal, and third is Honeygain. So these 2 applications are already running in my PC, so you can download and you will be also run like this and work here like the Mega Typers whenever you got a free time. And that's it. Thank you, bye bye, and take care. Subscribe me.